Question number 7. The equation of the curve C such that dy by dx. So differentiated term is given dy by dx is equal to x minus 3 the whole square divided by root x. We have to find y in terms of x. When we are integrating the given expression, we can find out the curve y. So integral dy is equal to integral x minus 3 the whole square divided by root x into dx. Before integrating, let us simplify this expansion. So x minus 3 the whole square is x square minus 6x plus 9 divided by root x can be written as x power 1 by 2, which is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 into x power minus 1 by 2. Let us remove the brackets. So x power 2 plus minus 1 by 2, so which is 3 by 2, minus 6 into x power 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, plus 9 into x power minus 1 by 2. Let us replace here. Integral dy is equal to integral x power 3 by 2 minus 6 into x power 1 by 2 plus 9 into x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. Now we can integrate. So when we are integrating, y equal to x power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 6 into x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 9 into x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, because the integration which has not given any limit, so there must be a constant. So y equal to x power 3 by 2 plus 1 is x power 5 by 2, x power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 minus 6 into x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 9 into x power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. Now we can simplify. Y equal to, so here will be cancelled minus 2. Now the curve y equal to x power 5 by 2 times 2 by 5. So this can be written as 2 by 5. 2 by 5 x power 5 by 2 minus 2 2s are 4 times x power 3 by 2 plus 18 x power 1 by 2 plus c. Now the given curve which is passes through the point 4, 7. So when the point x is 4 and y is 7, let's replace the value 4 and 7 to get the value of constant c. So 7 is equal to 2 by 5 times 4 power 5 by 2 minus 4 into 4 power 3 by 2 plus 18 into 4 power 1 by 2 which is plus c. Now 7 equal to 2 by 5 times this value is 32 minus 4 times this value is become 8 plus 8 into 2 plus c. By simplification, 7 equal to 64 by 5 minus 12 plus 16 plus c. So c equal to 7, c equal to, by calculating this constant term which is minus 49 by 5. So the equation of the curve which is y equal to, now we can replace the value of c in the curve. So y equal to 2 by 5 x power 5 by 2 minus 4 into x power 3 by 2 plus 18 into x power 1 by 2 minus 49 by 5. This is the required equation of the curve. Is the equation of the different curve D, another curve which passes through the point 4, k. The first curve C which passes through 4, 7. That curve is y equal to 2 by 5 x power 5 by 2 minus 4 into x power 3 by 2 plus 18 into x power 1 by 2 minus 49 by 5. This is equation of curve C. Now we can find out equation of the curve D. Y equal to 2 by 5 x power 5 by 2 minus 4 into x power 3 by 2 plus 18 into x power 1 by 2 plus C. Now let us replace this point on the curve. So when the curve is passing through the point 4, k. So replace y as k. K equal to 2 by 5 into 4 power 5 by 2 minus 4 into 4 power 3 by 2 plus 18 into 4 power 1 by 2 plus C. Let's find out the value of C. Here k equal to, by simplifying this term which is 84 by 5 plus C. So here the constant value is C equal to k minus 84 by 5. Okay. After finding the constant term, here find out the transformation, describe the terms of k. The transformation maps curve C onto curve D. So let's find out the difference between the two constant on the which is curve C and curve D. So let's find out the difference between the two constant term. So k minus 84 by 5. This is the constant term which is the curve D. Minus the constant term of the curve C is minus 49 by 5, which is equal to k minus 84 by 5 plus 49 by 5. So which is equal to k minus 35 by 5. So k equal k minus 7. Here x coordinates are not x coordinates are equal 4, k and 4, 7. Y coordinates only is the difference. X coordinates are equal. So this graph is translated on y axis. So here vertical translation of k minus 7 units. 8. Find the complete expansion of 3 minus 2x the whole power 4. Let's follow the binomial expansion. The binomial expansion is 4z0 into 3 power 4 into minus 2x power 0 plus 4z1 into 3 power 3 minus 2x power 1 plus 4z2 into 3 power 2 minus 2x the whole power 2 plus 4z3 into 3 power 1 minus 2x power 3 plus 4z4 into 3 power 0 minus 2x power 4. So there are 5 terms which is equal to, the first term is going to be 3 power 4 plus the second term is 4 into 3 power 3 into minus 2x plus the third term is 4z2, that is 4 times 3 by 1 times 2 into 3 power 2 into minus 2x the whole power 2 plus The fourth term is 4c3, that is 4 into 3 into 2 by 1 into 2 into 3. 3 power 1, which is 3 into minus 2x the whole power 3, plus the last term is 1 into 3 power 0 is 1 and minus 2x the whole power 4. So this simplified form is, which is equal to 3 power 4 is 81 minus the second term is 216x plus the third term is 216x square minus the fourth term is 96x cube plus 16x power 4. This is the required expression. Use your answer part A to find 3 minus 2 root 2 the whole power 4. The given expression is, the part A is 3 minus 2x. 3 minus 2x the whole power 4. This is the expansion which we already found. This is, we are going to equate 3 minus 2 root 2 the whole power 4. So what is the value of x? Let's equate the both. X equal to root 2. From here, x equal to root 2. X equal to root 2. Now we can replace x equal to root 2 in the given, in the expression which is we found already. So 3 minus 2 root 2 the whole power 4, which is equal to, let's replace all the x by root 2. So 81 minus 216 into root 2 plus 216 into root 2 square minus 96 into root 2 power 3 plus 16 into root 2 power 4. So this simplified answer is, which is equal to 81 minus 216 root 2 plus 216 times 2, root 2 square is 2, so 432 minus root 2 cube is 2 root 2. So when we are multiplying by 96, 192 root 2 plus the last term is 64, because root 2 power 4 is 4, which is equal to, when we are adding 81 and 432 plus 64 is 577 minus 408 root 2. This answer we are going to write in the form of P plus Q root 2. So P equal to 577 and Q value is minus 408. We have to write the answer in the form of P plus Q root 2. And solve the equation x power 2 by 3 plus this 8x can be written as 8 power 1 by 3 and x power 1 by 3 minus 24, which is equal to 0. So x power 2 by 3 plus this 8 power 1 by 3 is cube root of 8, which is 2 into x power 1 by 3 minus 24, which is equal to 0. Let us substitute here. Let x power 1 by 3, which is equal to a. So this equation is going to be a power 2 plus 2a minus 24, which is equal to 0. Now factorize and find the value of a. So minus 24 is the product value. There are two factors, 6 and 4. The possible factors, the highest factor is positive, this is negative. So here the required factors are a plus 6 times a minus 4, which is equal to 0. So here the required values of a are a equal to minus 6 and a equal to 4. Now we can replace the substitution. So instead of a, we are going to replace as x power 1 by 3. x power 1 by 3 which is equal to minus 6. Let's remove the power 1 by 3. So multiplying power 3 on both sides. So x power 1 by 3 times 3 which is equal to minus 6 power 3. Minus 6 power 3 value is x equal to minus 216. Here x power 1 by 3 which is equal to 4. Here also we can take cube on both sides. So x equal to 4 power 3, x equal to 64. These are the possible values of x. Then the seventh term of an arithmetic progression, that is a7 which is equal to 77. From here we know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. Now we can replace this n by 7. So this a7 is going to be a plus 6d which is equal to 77. Consider this is equation number 1. The second information is the sum of n terms of the progression is denoted by Sn. So we know that Sn equal to n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Given that S11 is equal to 880. Now replace n equal to 11. Throughout we can replace n equal to 11 in the formula. So S11 equal to n by 2, 11 by 2 into 2a plus 11 minus 1 is 10, 10d which is equal to 880. Now we can simplify this equation. 2a plus 10d which is equal to 880 times 2 by 11. We can simplify here. This is going to be 80. Now throughout we can divide this equation is by 2. So a plus 5d which is equal to 80. This is equation number 2. Let's solve 192 to find the value of a and d. We have to find the 20th term. A20 we have to find. So A20 is equal to a plus 19d. This we have to find. Now we can solve 192. Solve 192. So first equation is a plus 6d is equal to 77. The second equation is a plus 5d equal to. So a plus 5d which is equal to 80. Now we can subtract throughout the equation. 6 minus, this will be cancelled. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1d is equal to minus 3. Okay. We found the value of d. Now replace this value in any one of the equation. So consider the first equation. So a plus 6 into minus 3 which is equal to 77. So a equal to 77 plus 18. So a equal to 95. Now we have the value of a and d. Let's find out A20. A20 is equal to a plus 19d, which is a value is 95. 95 plus 19 times d value is minus 3. So which is equal to 95 minus 57. So A20 is equal to 38. Find the smallest number of terms n such that Sn less than 50. Sn less than 50. We know that the values of a is 95 and d is minus 3. Let's write Sn. So n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is less than 50. Now we can replace the value of a and d. So n by 2 times 95 plus n minus 1 times minus 3. which is less than 50. So n by 2 times 2 times 95 is 190 minus 3n plus 3, which is less than 50. Now we can remove the bracket. So 190n minus 3n square plus 3n less than this 2 times 50 is 100. So this equation is minus 3n square plus 193n minus 100, which is less than 0. Now we can convert this equation into a positive term. So let's multiply minus 1 on both sides. So this equation is 3n square minus 193n plus 100, which is greater than 0. Now this inequality will be changed into greater than. We can find the value of n because we have to find the smallest integer of n. N equal to, we can use the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus of minus 193 plus or minus square root of minus 193 b square minus 4 times 8 times 100 divided by 2a, 2 times 3. By using calculator, n equal to, one of the value is 0.5 and n equal to another value is 63.8. Now where is this inequality? Because it is greater than, where it is possible. This curve is open upward. So suppose in the x-axis this is consider 0.5 and consider this value is 63.8. So here which is greater than, so these are the possible values of x. These are the possible value and these are the possible value. So n must be less than, n is less than 0.5 and n is greater than 63.8. These are the two inequalities. Now we can find out the smallest integer of n, that is here. The smallest value is 0 and minus 1. So negative is not possible for n. Always positive is possible. So after 63, the greater value is 64. The possible value n equal to 64. Number 11. The diagram shows the curve with equation and a straight line. The straight line passes through two stationary points of the curve. Show that the equation of the line. So let us find out the two stationary points, which is a turning point. So consider this is a turning point and this is a turning point. The gradient of the curve at the turning point is equal to 0. So dy by dx equal to 0. Let us differentiate the equation of the curve. So dy by dx is minus 3x square plus 18x minus 15, which is equal to 0. Divided by minus 3 throughout the equation. So this equation is going to be x square minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Let us factorize and find the 2 points of x. So x minus 1 times x minus 5, which is equal to 0. X equal to 1 and x equal to 5. These are the x coordinates of the stationary points. So when x equal to 1, what is y? Y equal to, replace x equal to 1 in the given equation, given curve. So minus 1 plus 9 minus 15 minus 3. So y equal to minus 10. So one of the point is 1 comma minus 10. When x equal to 5, what is y? Y equal to 5 cube is minus 125 plus 9 into 5 square is 25 minus 15 into 5 minus 3. So y equal to by simplifying this value, which is 22. So the second turning point is 5 comma 22. We found the two stationary points. The line is passing through these 2 points. Find the equation of the line with the help of using 2 points form or finding the gradient and 1 point form. We can find any method. So let's find out the gradient of line. So m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So m equal to 22 minus of minus 10 is plus 10 divided by 5 minus 1. So which is 32 by 4 is 8. Gradient is 8. Now we can use one of the point. So y minus y1, that is minus 10. So y plus 10 equal to 8 into x minus x1. This is 1 point and gradient. So y plus 10 equal to 8x minus 8. Y equal to 8x minus 8 minus 10 is minus 18. This is the equation of the line. Hence we proved. Verify that the curve also meets the straight line when x equal to 3. When x equal to 3, the curve also meets another point. So what is the y coordinate of the equation of the curve is minus x cube plus 9x square plus 9x square minus 15x minus 3. This is the equation of the curve. Now we found the equation of the line y equal to 8x minus 18. We can replace the point x equal to 3 value. When x equal to 3, what is y in the curve? So minus 27 plus 9 into 3 square minus 15 times 3 minus 3. So with the help of calculator, y equal to 6. So the point is 3 comma 6. If the same point is in the line, it is verified. So y equal to 8 into 3 minus 18. So 8 3s are 24. 24 minus 18 is definitely which is equal to 6. Here also we found a point 3 comma 6. So definitely the curve also meets the straight line. So hence verified. This question is, the shaded region is bounded by the curve and the straight line. Find the area of the shaded region. This smaller portion is a shaded region. In between the intersecting points, the curve is above and the line is below within the 2 points. So let's mark the 2 points. These are the turning point, one of the turning point. This is the intersecting point of the curve and the line, which is now we found this is 3 comma 6. So this point is 3 comma 6. And this is one of the turning point. This is one of the turning point. The two turning points are 5 comma 22, 1 comma minus 10. So this is 1 comma minus 10. This is 5 comma 22. So the x coordinate are 3 and 5 because the area is in between 3 and 5. So required area of the region is integral 3 to 5. Curve is the above part. So we have to write the equation of the curve, that is minus x cube plus 9x square minus 15x minus 3. This is equation of the curve. Line is the below part, so we have to reduce, subtract the line. So 8x minus 18 is the equation of the line, which is dx. Now we can simplify before integrating. Integral 3 to 5 minus x cube plus 9x square minus 15x minus 80x is minus 23x. Minus 3 minus of minus 18 is plus 15x. Plus 15 into dx. Now we can integrate, which is equal to integrating minus x power 4 by 4 plus 9 into x cube by 3 minus 23x square by 2 plus 15x. There is no extra constant because the integration is within the limit 3 to 5. We can substitute the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. So the upper limit is minus 5 power 4 by 4 plus 9 times 5 square by 3, 5 cube by 3 minus 23 5 square by 2 plus 15 times 5. This is the upper limit minus the lower limit is minus 3 power 4 by 4 plus 9 into 3 cube by 3 minus 23 times 3 square by 2 plus 15 times 3, lower limit. We are going to simplify this by using the calculator. The first section is 25 by 4 minus the second section is 9 by 4. So this subtracted value is 16 by 4, which is equal to 4 square units. This is the required area of the shaded region.